I am Elia Otgianu. We are at Brisla Trattoria in center of Parma. I'm cutting onion to make a liver ragu.
So you want me to talk?
Yeah. You want?
Yeah, what I'm doing is taking away this part that here it doesn't taste good, and in the mouth also does. It's too strong to eat, so it's chewy.
It's okay, it's okay.
This is a clean liver, almost. And also this green part here is something very bitter that we don't want in the ragu, so I will take it away. It's not foie gras, which means you feed the ducks to make them fat. It's just some ducks are fatter, some are thinner.
Okay, next step. So we melt some butter. We broke some pepper, black pepper. We have to toast it to give it more flavor. And we put the onion to cook. Have to cook very slowly in the butter with pepper and salvia. I don't remember the name in English. Verdure.
How long did the onions cook?
Come?
How long did the onions cook?
Have to be very softly. Pepper in the onion. Usually I cook at least 1 hour. Have to go very slow. Have not to roast. Have to cook with the humidity and slowly. Serve del burro, Fla, che qua ne avevo molto poco, per favore. Mi serve che mi tagli delle striscioline, scusi, non sto qua, mi sto un attimo impegnando parecchio, più di quanto striscioline non funziona solo in padella. Sì, striscioline, cioè delle fette, così mi si sciolgono. I put a little bit more butter because it wasn't enough. So I'm making a bouquet garni with sage and a little bit of alloro. Sage, it's very good with all the part like livers, so livers, rognoni, interiora we say in Italian, o quinto quarto. So we put inside the onion to create a lot of flavor. Now we roast the livers. Oh my God. Has to be really hot to not boil the livers, but to roast it. Create flavor. Okay, stop bubble, we're ready. Now we have not to touch a lot of time the livers, just rest to make hot heat.
Yeah, how many minutes?
We have to check, visual check. 3-5 minutes. Turn it a little bit. Usiamo quella busta di salsa oro, avevo detto, e scongeliamo l'altra che domani viene l'amica di filo. Few minutes and we are ready with the livers. I deglaze this pan with Marsala and white wine. Put the deglaze in the onion, finish to cook the onion. After we put the livers in the onion and have to cook just 5 minutes the liver, not a lot. Livers, if are overcooked, became bitter. Pavesito, non devi fare rumore, mi spiace per video. Okay, liver is ready. We put here because the onion is not really ready. So the glass before with Marsala. Flambé. Per favore come riesci. Ok. If you have not Marsala, you can use also cognac or Madeira. Okay, Marsala reduction. And white wine reduction. White wine reduction.
Just a second.
Allora, so we can take off our bouquet garni. Finish his roll. This is our onion. 1 hour cooked with deglasatura di figattini. We put our livers inside. Lasciare insaporire qualche minuto. Salare. We never put salt before now. Very important, demi-glace of duck. We can boil our pasta. We use tagliolino, Giuseppe Cocco, pasta from Abruzzo. Piccolo produttore abruzzese, taglierini all'uovo, brunettini, just 3 minutes. I melt a little bit of demi-glace of duck, this one. And we add the livers. Questo qua possiamo anche toglierlo, è un po' ricco di Marsala. e dopo quando facciamo gli altri lo riordiniamo, facciamo una sfumata in meno, che ho fatto quasi metà e metà, di solito è un po' meno. Ok, so now il tagliolino it's almost ready. Put it in the pan. A little bit of butter. Mantecated. Okay. Ready to put in the plates. Okay. And we put up a little bit of fried bread. So we just fry in a pan with a little bit of olive oil to give a crunchy part to the plates. This is our tagliolino with chicken liver.
Thank you.
Thank you too.